Boys, a lot has happened since the last time I showed you the S2000. Let me run quickly through what has been done, what has happened, and where we are at in the process of the S2000 engine bay build. So if you've watched some of the videos in the past few weeks, you will know that this engine bay is getting completely stripped, it's getting a wire tuck, and it is getting a smooth engine bay. This is going to be show quality, and I cannot wait to see it finished. Taking on something at this level requires a lot of money, something I do not have. I think people tend to think I do have money, which is completely the opposite case whatsoever. It takes a lot of money, so I have been working super hard. I mean, I am taking shifts day and night, double shifts every day. Like next week I'm on 7 days in a row, double shifts. I'm going to be dead. So that means that the boys have gone ahead and started doing stuff while I'm at work. You will have seen in the last video that we were stripping the engine, we were taking all the bits out that we didn't need. And since then, the boys have took the engine out and done some wiring. So I did give them my camera. Let's quickly see what they filmed, how the footage is. I have no idea what went on when I wasn't here, so I am sorry in advance for the footage you're about to see, because I don't know what's going to be on here. But I am very grateful, of course, that they did that. So let's go quickly back in time and see what they did with the S2000. Okay, so moving on to today. Paddy and Ryan went ahead yesterday throughout the day and they sorted out all the wiring and they done it very quickly. It was something I couldn't do. I am colourblind, if you didn't know. Working with wires and electronics is not for me. As you can see, I have circled so many more of these little holes and things that I don't need. I think there's a few more things here I can maybe get rid of, but we'll wait and see for the time being. But we might be able to circle some more stuff. These are basically the only two things that are going to be staying in this engine bay, really, apart from one little loom that goes over here. But this is all that's staying at this side. The ABS was here, it has all been took away. We're not having any ABS in this car. This is going to be a show car. That is making the space completely empty. There was the housing unit here, which has been removed and it's been now put into the wing of the S2000. So if you did watch the video, you will have seen that in here was the washer bottle, went up through this hole and you could fill your wash bottle from up and above. Now this has been relocated here. It's a very neat and tidy job the boys have done, and it's going to make life a whole lot more simple and easier with the bay. Done a really tidy job with the wires. Paddy is very handy, he is an electrician. My other friend Peter is an auto spark, and Ryan as well. They're all very handy when it comes to cars. So they have tidied this all up and they have made it really nice and tidy the whole way along the wing to bring it all out here. Very impressed, actually. I wasn't expecting it to be so good. This side as well, they have took this loom, it was in here, and they have now ran it through the bottom of the car, and they have brought out here and ran it up, and they have even gone as far to extending it by 8 inches. And of course, every car has to have a fuse box, one of the most important things to remember. It has now been ran through the bottom of the car in below the dash, and it's going to be located in below the dash. You won't even see it, you won't even know it's there. So we're going to try and make it as nice and as clean as possible, so you won't even know it's there. Today's job is trying to relocate the battery. The battery is going to go to the boot. Again, not my forte. This is not the kind of thing I'm good at. Give me something to take apart, I'm fine at it. Tell me what I need to do, I will do it. But when it comes to these things, I am no good. You're doing well for time, I feel like. And the car needs to get welded, of course. That is another big job that needs done. If it gets welded in the next few days, then we're flying, we can send it off to paint. If not, then we're going to be a bit behind. The engine got took out, like I say. It is on the engine crane over here. The loom on the engine needs sorted as well. It needs tidied up. It does need a clutch and flywheel as well, so that is going to kind of be done now when the engine's out. It's going to make it a whole lot easier. I'm trying to figure out what to do with the rocker cover. I don't know whether to keep it red or go yellow or go black. I don't know. This is a brand new rocker cover, so I don't really want to paint this. I have bought a new coil pack. It's coming from Hybrid Racing. I'm going to try and take this little cover off and send it to maybe get hydro dipped or else paint it if I can. I don't know if that's possible. I have just ordered a lot of new nuts and a lot of new washers and things like that, a lot of new bolts, brand new ones to kind of keep it nice and clean. I was toying with buying a manifold, but manifolds are very expensive, as you guys know. I really don't have that budget, so what I'm going to do first is try not to mix these things up. So what I'm going to do next is try and clean this up. I'm going to do that today before I go to work. I'm going to see if I can shine up any, because there's nothing really wrong with it. It's in good condition, it just isn't very shiny, and everything else in this engine bay is going to be, of course, shiny. If not, then I'm going to have to try and find a budget for that, which I do not have. I am in the middle of trying to source bottles from America that go here. You do get nice little billet ones, which are obviously going to be a whole lot nicer than this plastic bottle. If I can get it in time, then that'll probably be a possibility. But everything's costing so much money. For the replacement one of these from America that I wanted is going to be about £250 plus postage, which again is eating into the budget, which I just don't have. All my parts are all over here. There's a whole lot more stuff I need to buy. We're not going to worry about that today. We're going to pretend that we have unlimited money, which we do not. I have got a new radiator. This one's going away. We've got a nice new aluminium one coming. We have about 5 weeks, maybe less, and I'm starting to panic. As long as we get the welding done, as long as we get the painting done, we'll be flying. Then it's getting the engine back in without damaging the new paint, and trying to get all those other bits and pieces I need to buy with no money. I can't reiterate how much I have no money. Done it before, I'll do it again. Hopefully we can pull this off. Right, the boys will be here in a minute. We're going to go and start taking this stuff out and get it ready for relocating the battery. Might reach. So I've just finished work. The boys have been here all day working on the car, so let's go and see what they have done. Batteries in the boot. How was battery in the boot pads?
Good.
Good. Good answer.
Everything's easy.
Everything's not easy. Good job. How do you run it? Where do you run it? Under. And there. All the way down here.
Right there, and it's tightened up.
Down there, the whole way across. Good job. Down there, somewhere. Woohoo!
That was just the steering rag. Your headlights. Indicators. And then this needs to go under your scuttle, your wipers.
My wipers.
But aren't there, but we're doing it anyway.
Some job.
Job done.
Happy days. Good job, Paddy. Thanks very much.
Get your fuse boxes and your ECU done. Not cheap.
Do you work here now?
May as well.
For free?
May as well.
Class, good job.
Yeah, that's right, Rory. What? hands massaging it in like a T45. Give it the old hot too.
Getting her all greased up, lad.
Boy.
Oh my god. I don't know if I want to do this. This is rash. It's pretty shiny, like. Nice. Where'd you get that? Yeah, it's shiny.
Good job, lad. Fucking deadly, like. Just got in there heavy.
You told everybody on the internet your hands did that.
Yeah.
Okay. What are you doing? I can't keep that. I can't keep that in, man.
You're gonna keep it in?
I can't, but I might. Holy crap! Icky. Icky. That worked. How shiny it is, Ron.
Need more buffing heads. So.
We need something for it. We need the wheel. Oh, jeez, it's warm, boys. We need something in here. Ah, it's fucking roasting.
Yeah, I melted it.
Oh, shit it.
Here, but that's fucking lethal.
Oh shit, sorry, I touched it.
I didn't expect that to come up so well.
It's up here that we need to worry about, not down here.
We
Because
can do them with the edge of the pads.
You haven't got much pad
There's
left.
fucking no edge on it.
It's done. Good job, Pat. Good job. No, I'll do that more. I'll do that first thing when I'm down here more. Alright guys, I'm going to head in the shop, get some snacks, go home, go to bed and do it all over again tomorrow. This is going to be a very stressful 5 weeks. I think it's less than 5 weeks now. If you're enjoying the build so far, let me know in the comments below and give the video a big thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Hopefully we can pull this off. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in